P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring. Oi! Fuck's sake. P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring.
Where is the glass?
And that's it.
Anything you say, honey.
Even though the midsize and they're homicide. Homicide? Man, I've known you for 5 years. You're fine. Are you sure it's homicide? Yeah, Scott's homicide. Look, I tried to find the guy with this hatchet job on Shirley House. What could they have gone on strike about?
It's always difficult to know with the French. Fishing quotas, land, speed cameras.
This just feels like home.
Eventually, though, after the
Take it to that tree. Stand clear. Oh, a little turn right there. Yeah, there you go. The hand which accepted. Why are you there? Hurry! Who you are? This is a high-end infrared imager. It registers heat changes in the 8 to 12. This stuff's all remote. Covert. It's not like you're hooking up with your bandage around the arm and a sweat meter.
One death is a tragedy, but a million is just a statistic. You tell me about our wars. Tell me about...
Grace, 302, what is that name from? Tip of the Senator's Gap to you, my good man.
Michael Grace, yes, thank you.
Okay, he sent a nice, he sent several, and one of them, I'm reading it, and it floored me. I just could not comprehend this. Here we go.
Okay.
We have, or did have, I'm gonna say, and boy, I sure wish I knew this 6 months ago. God almighty, I wish I would have known this. We have an
Want all of you to pack your belongings and leave this house at once. Do you hear? What if we don't? You have a lot to learn about this world, young lady. Mrs. Slater, you seem...
So you're saying that Il San Skater Boy was when you were growing up?
No, it was. She came out like around, I think, 2004, 2006.
This is one of my John Smiths that's left over. I hadn't had John Smiths now past 2 times, so this is.
Stephen and Gillian. Gillian? Gillian. Stephen and Gillian. We'll give you another big shout out for the Wasky of you. Sorry. I've brought these out today. A meat and potato pie. I think we'll have that for a snack.
Well, I've been bloody cold.
Go on, Nick. Get my mate in your mouth. Ew. What else have we got? Oh, yes. We've got some short arse biscuits.
P&J Productions now present pouring ale into a glass.
Bollocks.